Come on. Let's go. Time to cook. I'll just do bread. I'm not gonna cook rice. Can you get the butter out of the fridge, please? Thank you. Add some moringa. Okay. We're gonna eat. Hold on. I haven't had a copico in so long. These are leftovers from the last time I went camping.
Does it have a mustache or something? Wow!
Yummy? You want banana? Banana? You want toast? Well, this is Aubrey's. More butter? She wants more butter for this little piece. She just pretty much eats the butter. Oh.
See the mushroom?
Oh. Look for years. Look at it.
He's like, so serious? He goes like,
Oh.
hi, I got a bowl.
Oh, look for Ellie, Jurassic Park. Yeah, we're gonna go to the playground.
Wait to warm up. It's warming up now.
Yeah. Oh, there's that big jumping thing over there.
Jumping?
Let's go jump. The ocean is literally over the fence.
Calling for me.
Okay, we're gonna bounce real quick here, and then we can go get dressed and go to the beach. But the beach is literally next door. Woo! Go, Aubrey. Try it. They got two of these big things. This is nice. Come on. Whoa. It's a big balloon. Yeah, jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump. Oh, look at Ate.
Oh,
Woo, woo, woo. Oh.
bounce right.
Okay, careful, careful, careful. Okay, okay. Wait. Give her a chance to get used to it. Yeah, there you go. Jump. I'm gonna put my phone down. Okay. Wait. Don't touch it. We don't know what kind of bug that is. It looks like the shape of a stink bug, but it's red.
If it was an actual stink bug, it would spray already.
Really?
Yeah, usually they would probably spray already.
But don't jump because I need. I almost stepped on the bug. Ready? Yeah! Wow! Are you okay? Oh, the keys smacked me in the face. Huh?
The what?
The keys smacked me in the face.
The keys?
The keys! The keys!
Oh.
The keys! The keys smacked me on the face! Woo! Do cartwheel. Oh my, Ate doesn't know how to do a cartwheel. Look, you got stripes. Okay, ready? Go down the slide.
Wow.
Whee!
I didn't even realize it.
What is happening over there? There's a water park right there. With a slide and a pool. Got red flowers. Australian trees are so cool. Look at these roots. So these can be easily rooted. There's an underwear in this tree. Oh, so pretty. It's a cool tree. Here, the leaves are different on this side. Why is it different? And
I love it.
you should have brought the other jacket. The windproof. Oh, we have the whole beach to ourselves. Someone here is camping on the actual beach.
Oh, the people are at the other side. So we get this whole side. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Put your mask here, grab it.
Hey, where's the rock? Where's the rock?
All the way. Oh, it's buried. Oh wow, the tide's high. Big rock right there.
Yeah.
I think it's like over here. So the tide's high.
They pulled it all the way to there.
So tiny.
Fingernail.
Something. It's two different things. It's too chilly to swim right now, so
Yes!
Ate Ellie.
Mine. Mine? What if I put it in tiny pieces?
Okay, give him a little piece. He's by himself, so it's different.
Look at the seagull.
Dude, chill. This is junk. Go fish. Go get you some real food. See if it'll let you get close to you and you can pick it up. Chill out, bro. We're not gonna get you. Yay! Good job out there. Go, get closer. Get closer. Wow! That was amazing. What? Can I see the dried up coral? Like a sponge. Can I see? That's cool. Oh, okay. Woo! Oh, that wind was strong. Oh, it's okay. What do you think? Wait, we gotta take your towel off. You wanna test it? Come on. Go put your feet in the water. Water's nice. Here, play with the water.
Puppy, come on. Ah! My hand.
Come here, Aubrey. Come here, Baba. Come on. Yeah, come on.
I don't know. I've been using it though. I've been
Jigging.
trying to get stones for plans.
Come on, Aubrey. Look. Come on.
Come on.
You need to hold my hand? It's like a shower. Look, look. Look what Ate's doing. Look, you can put your feet. Put your feet on there. See? Oh! Look, starfish. Why are you walking like that? Look, you can spin it. Oh, it's hard to spin. They just turned off. I think they turn off and then they turn back on.
I want to go down the slide, but
Go, there's no one there. Ate's gonna go. No, you stay here. We're gonna watch Ate. Okay? Ready? Whee! Yay! You have the slide all to yourself. It's warm?
yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Okay, do the blue one. Oh, she went to the orange. Thought you were doing the blue. Turkey. Just roaming. Wait, let's put a life jacket on you. This is the same one that you have. Life jacket. Don't scare her. Let's here, take her to the steps.
What?
Hot. Come here, this way. We have the whole pool to ourselves. Look at this. Look, Aubrey, it's shallow. That scared us. I'm gonna try this spa. Don't run, walk. It's not hot. But it's not cold. It's not warm, but it's not cold.
Bubbling.
It's just bubbling. Aw, man, I wish it was hot. I wish. No, swim all the way down. See if you can do it. You're already wet.
I'm gonna stop, and then I'm gonna stop.
Okay, go.
And we
swim
have to go
all
straight
the way
away.
to the end and then back.
Then we have to completely stop because I need to take a hot shower.
Okay.
You guys come.
Okay, ready, set, go. Come on, Ellie. Faster.
I'm tired.
How's the water feel now, though? Does it feel nice?
It's finally to get in.
You want to get in, Aubrey?
This was used to the burning walls and come in.
What's the turkey doing? He drank the water, so if the turkey drank the water, then I guess it's okay.